Hi there. In this EveryAI review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you access and use 350 plus premium AI models to create websites, videos, images, apps, avatars, chatbots, and way more, without paying any monthly fees. Stick around, because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the game. I make these reviews to help you discover the best tools to grow your online income without wasting time or money. So if that sounds good, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on powerful new tools like this. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got exclusive high-value bonuses waiting for you when you grab EveryAI through my link below. So check the description. Trust me, you don't want to miss these. What is EveryAI? EveryAI is a game-changing, cloud-based universal AI platform that gives you one-click access to 350 plus premium AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude 3, MidJourney, Gemini, DALL, ElevenLabs, and more, all from a single dashboard. It's built for freelancers, business owners, affiliate marketers, and content creators who want to create websites, make viral videos and shorts, design 3D logos and mock-ups, build chatbots, generate sales copy, articles, voiceovers, and more, without juggling subscriptions or paying API fees. Just one payment and you're in for life. What's cool about EveryAI? You don't need coding, editing, or design skills. The platform and built-in AI do all the heavy lifting. Now, I want to be honest, this isn't some click a button, become rich overnight gimmick. EveryAI gives you real tools, real tech, and real potential. But you've still got to put in the work. Standout features that caught my eye. One-click access to 350 plus AI tools, including ChatGPT, Claude, MidJourney, Canva AI, DALL, ElevenLabs, Synthesia, Copilot, and more. All in one dashboard. Manage everything from websites to avatars without switching tabs. Create websites, funnels, 8K videos, e-com stores, and more. No monthly fees or API costs, just a one-time low price. Commercial license included, sell everything you create and keep 100% profits. How it works. 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in to the EveryAI dashboard. Step 2. Choose the AI model or task you want to automate. Image, video, blog, voice, chatbot, etc. Step 3. Customize your output or let the AI do its magic and export your project. Simple, fast, powerful. Let me now show you a quick demo to give you a real look under the hood.
Jason slumped at his kitchen table, eyes locked on his credit card statement. $327.64 gone again this month. His stomach twisted as he scanned the endless list of AI tool subscriptions, voice generators, image creators, text assistants, and more. Each charge felt like a slap in the face. But the real gut punch? He hadn't made a single dollar back. Not one. He'd poured everything into a side hustle that was supposed to change his life, but instead, he was drowning in bills, wondering how he was going to explain this to his wife. A bitter thought crept in. Am I paying to fail? Sadly, Jason's not alone. Millions of people are stuck in the same position as Jason. But here's the truth. The problem isn't AI itself. The problem is the gatekeepers who charge you monthly to use them. I mean, look at this. ChatGPT costs $20 a month. Jasper, $49 a month. Canva Pro, $13 a month. Claude, $30 a month. Microsoft Copilot, $30 a month. MidJourney, $60 a month. And the list goes on. And it's not like you can just give up on AI. It's a $683 billion industry. You need it in your business to survive. Without it, you don't have a chance to compete. But what if there's a completely different and revolutionary way? What if you could access all of those AI models from one powerful dashboard without paying a single penny in monthly fees or API costs? What if you could just search for any AI model you want? Whether it's ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, Gemini, Leonardo, Synthesia, Cosmos AI, Jasper, ElevenLabs, Palm 2.0, Llama, or any other top-tier model, and just with a click, you have full and unrestricted access to it. Say hello to EveryAI, the world's first universal AI app that lets you search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market, all without the hassle or monthly fees. EveryAI. You can effortlessly unlock premium AI models to create 8K motion videos, ChatGPT-like chatbots, AI virtual assistants in your brand voice, websites, e-com store, and sales funnels, 3D box shot, logos, and 4K images, ultra-realistic talking avatar, artificial intelligence influencer, voiceovers and voice cloning, audio transcriptions and music mixing, sales and ad copies with article rewriter and plagiarism checker, image editing, remove background, paint, colorizer, etc., video to blog, WhatsApp deal closer, and AI web chat, flipbook, text to app, branding, virtual business cards, and more. It's easy. Simply type or say what you need. For example, I want to create 8K motion video, I want to clone my voice. And EveryAI will instantly search for and activate the world's best AI models to get it done, all within the EveryAI app. No API fees, no monthly costs. Imagine creating websites, funnels, products, 3D box shots, logos, and more, all from one dashboard, and make money like this and this in just 1 to 2 minutes a day. Not just that, imagine generating 8K motion videos, 4K images, talking avatar, AI influencer, flipbooks, and even software from the same dashboard. Basically, anything you can imagine in your wildest dreams, you can achieve it in seconds. But it gets even better because EveryAI allows all of those AI models to interact together and work in perfect harmony. It produces results 19 times better than any individual AI model and 10 times faster. Imagine building a business where the 3D box shot and logo is created with Canva, the website is created by Claude, the content by ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and the VSL is created by Leonardo AI or Hagen. Again, all from the same dashboard, without a single click and without paying for any of the AI models. Hey, my name is Saeed, and I'm here to show you the power of EveryAI, how we use it to make money, and how you can also tap into it even if you know nothing about AI. EveryAI works for everyone and anyone, regardless of where you're from, what language you speak, or even your level of experience. All you need is just 3 simple steps. And the best part is, no monthly payments, no upfront costs, no installation or configuration, no limits or restrictions, no API fees. Amazing! By now, I'm sure you're wondering how much this will cost you. EveryAI will save you a minimum of $13,231.23 a year while helping you build a profitable business or land freelance gigs that can generate daily income like this. So it would be fair to charge you a minimum of $997 a month for it. But I can't do that. I was in Jason's shoes, paying monthly for everything and getting little to no results. So I don't want anyone to suffer the same. And since I make more than enough money with EveryAI, I don't need your money. All I ask you is to just cover the cost of the hosting by paying a small one-time fee, less than the price of a pizza. And you can have unlimited and unrestricted access to EveryAI. Not just that, I'll even give you a free commercial license so you can use it in your business or your client's business or sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, or anything else. And to make the deal even easier, you'll get exclusive bonuses worth over $10,000, and you're protected by my 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If for any reason you think EveryAI not for you, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny you've paid. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below before we reach our limit and close down EveryAI forever. And pick up your copy now, and I'll see you on the other side. Hello. In this demo video, I'm going to show you how the EveryAI app works. EveryAI is the first-to-market AI app that allows you to search, unlock, and activate any AI model in the market and access it from a single dashboard. No API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. To get started, all you have to do is click on the AI Models menu. Right here, you'll see tons of different powerful AI tools powered by top-tier AI models in the market. Alternatively, you can also search, unlock, and activate any premium AI models you want. Just input your prompt or use the Siri-like voice command, whatever you want to achieve. For example, I want to create an AI influencer video. Once you input the keyword or speak your need, EveryAI will search for and unlock different AI models to help you achieve your task. Here's one AI model for AI influencer video powered by HeyGen. You can click on it to create your AI influencer video right away inside the EveryAI app without paying for any API or monthly fees. There are also different AI models you can use for various tasks. Okay, let's check another example. I want to clone my voice. Amazing. This will bring up different premium AI models for voice-related tasks. As you can see, text-to-speech. This is powered by OpenAI, Azure, and GCP. Instant voice cloning powered by Stable Diffusion and ElevenLabs. Audio mixing and speech-to-text tools. Just click on the one you want. Let's try voice cloning. And right here, you can easily clone your voice. Another prompt. I want to create a stunning website. EveryAI will activate the perfect AI model to create beautiful and stunning websites. You can also search for, I want to create chatbots, and EveryAI will give you different AI models for that. AI virtual assistants powered by OpenAI, Google Bard, Meta AI, and Claude. This is for creating ChatGPT-like AI chatbots, and other AI tools are also listed. Next example, I want to create images. EveryAI will activate the perfect AI models for image creation, like prompt-to-image, AI image generator, graphics and logo creator, photo studio, and more. Or you can type or speak. I want to create social media designs, and you'll get the perfect AI model for that. I want to write code for my app, and EveryAI will show you models to write clean code in any programming language powered by OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. Another prompt, I want to record a walkthrough tutorial video, and you'll get the perfect AI model to do that and export your recording in seconds. Another prompt, I want to create a business card, and the AI model for business card creation will pop up, and you can easily create your business card directly within the EveryAI software. So whatever you have in mind, whether it's an e-com store, a 3D box shot, talking head avatar video, or anything else, just input your prompt or use your voice, and you'll get access to the premium AI model to get the job done, all directly from EveryAI. Remember, no API costs, no monthly fees, no hassle. This is the one app you need to start getting results without paying a penny for AI models. Thanks for watching. See you inside.
Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. Here's what you'll see after picking up the main offer, which is just $16 one time. OTO 1, Unlimited, $67. Removes all usage limits, unlocks extra features, and gives you unlimited AI generations. OTO 2, Done for you, $297. Everything's built and ready to go. Sites, stores, videos, products, all done for you. OTO 3, Automation, $47. Automates key tasks like scheduling, traffic, campaigns, and publishing. OTO 4, Swift Profits, $47. Plug-and-play profit systems to help you monetize fast. OTO 5, Limitless Traffic, $97. Built-in traffic sources to drive leads and buyers to your assets. OTO 6, Agency License, $167. Create client accounts, manage their projects, and keep 100% profit. OTO 7, Franchise Edition, $97. Clone the entire EveryAI system and sell it as your own. OTO 8, Multiple Income Streams, $47. Unlock new DFY income streams and training to diversify your profits. My top picks, definitely OTO 1 for unlimited use and OTO 6 if you want to start offering services. What I like about EveryAI: beginner-friendly and intuitive UI. Access to premium tools like ChatGPT and MidJourney without fees. Commercial license included. Ideal for building multiple income streams. Real testimonials and results from real users. What could be improved? While EveryAI is super powerful, here's the thing. It's not for coders or those needing highly customized dev tools. With 350 plus tools, it can feel overwhelming. Stick to 3 to 5 at first and build up. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one AI solution that replaces hundreds of dollars in monthly fees, EveryAI is a no-brainer. For just $16 one time, you unlock lifetime access to everything you need to launch a business, grow your content empire, save time, money, and effort, or even start an agency on Fiverr or Upwork. So click the link below, grab your copy of EveryAI, and don't forget to check out the exclusive bonuses I've added to 10 times your results. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Let me know. What do you think about EveryAI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future tools like this. This is Kamal from testedapps.com. I'll see you in the next one.